1957 black Cadillac Series 62, fully restored. Look how beautiful this car is. Second owner, his cousin owned it. He took it over. How long ago did you fully restore it?
It took 2 years.
2-year restoration project. The car looks amazing. Probably better than it did when it came off the factory showroom floor. And this is one of the Series 62s with all the amenities.
Year. That's why it's got all the gold.
It's the anniversary year with the gold accents. This is hot.